Hello guys, today we're going to Monster Jam Car Wash, which is the car wash in old Tunis. And I have something to tell you to forget. Please click that subscribe button. And for my other car wash videos, and we're aiming the sector remit Here is the entrance. Here is the top brush, which is made by the company of side brushes. Here's the conveyor belt. Let me move this back a little bit. Here are the American side brushes, which come from downtown Decatur, which is that way. And here is the sign, Monster Jam. And here are the stop and...
What's that last part here?
The stop and go, and the stop and go slow and go.
Cool Spider-Man. Nice car wash.
And here are the dryers. Here's the drying station. Here are the colorful lights, which I saw in real car washes. And here are the windows.